Here we go. Here we go. Wow. So magical. It is absolutely beautiful over here. Like, look behind me. Look at that view. Tell me that's not beautiful. Wow. This does not seem real. How is this real? Wow. Phenomenal. This is amazing. I have my umbrella on because it is pouring rain. And I don't want to get my phone or my DJI wet. Wow, look at this. Let's continue walking before we run into people. Wow. Beautiful. There is a little pond on the left side here, which I'll show you in just a moment. Look at this green oasis. We have another little drop off to the right here of the water. There were people here a while back who did vandalize the place here, meaning like they took, I believe, the sculptures, or they broke them, something like that. And I don't know if they ever got them back, but that did happen too at one point. Yeah, very, very sad. And I don't know if people do that, why they destroy things or take things that don't belong to them. Because then that sucks, because then what if they just close this place up and then we can't enjoy it ourselves either, you know? So freaking beautiful. How does a place like this exist? Look at that. Wow. This whole place is just extremely beautiful. This doesn't feel real. So I've been here a couple times now, like probably about 5 times maybe. Look at the water. Look at these interesting sculptures of the rocks. So over here to the right is a trail that is currently closed. But I believe it's a very intense trail because it leads all the way up there, up that hill. So imagine having to climb all that. It looks slippery too, so that's probably why it's closed. But yeah, it's really nice. Looks pretty cool. And behind me I have this little pond over here. I don't even know what you would call it. So all the way over here is where this little thing ends. Oh god, it's slippery. Almost slipped. Yep, this is the end of it. So it's just a little short boardwalk. But I still think it's pretty fun to explore and venture out into. And they have these cute little fish sculptures on the trees here. And then to the left here, we've got a little water stream, which let me show you a close-up of. So probably be a good idea to take a nice photo here or something. I'm enjoying this area a lot. It's very peaceful and very quiet. And you just hear birds all over chirping. There's another fish sculpture all the way back there. Wow. Alright, let's walk back over here for a bit. Here's a close-up of the place once more. It smells like marijuana here. Look at this place. It's so green. There's greenery everywhere we go. I don't know if I need this umbrella technically right now, but I'm going to keep it. I've only run into one family so far, so that's pretty good. Like on the boardwalk here. There was a good amount of cars, but I think it's from people who are camping or something. Ooh, I gotta show you this. Goodbye, beautiful spot. This whole area is just spectacular. Can you just like imagine living here or having this as your place? I think there's a house on the right here, but I don't know if it's a house or if it's like some type of community center or something. I don't know, but either way, it's beautiful. You can hear the water over here. Beautiful. Ugh. I like it here. I'm a little scared though because I feel like I'm being watched. I don't know. Probably just me being paranoid or something, but I do feel like I'm being watched. I just came from this side. There's a beautiful bird with a red head making that sound. There she goes, or he. Hi! So beautiful. Wow. 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 So beautiful. Look at these feathers. I don't know why this one is ripped like that. Maybe it's supposed to be. Oh, I guess it is. I thought someone broke it for a second. But I think that's how it's supposed to be. Oh, I missed this little one. These are feathers of the birds probably that live in this area. Wow, beautiful. It does say some stuff around here. Oh, I guess maybe it shows what kind of birds they are or where they're from or something. Very cool. Alright, let's continue our merry way. Wow. Oh, you guys, it is intense right now. It's pouring like crazy, and the wind's blowing on me, which I wouldn't mind being out here if the wind wasn't blowing all over me, but it's soaking me wet, and I need to get some shelter under the trees. Wow, this is nuts. This is crazy. It's like a little rain shower. Wow. Yeah, it's still pouring like crazy. Okay, I am back to this cute little house here. See, there's like some storage buildings there. Oh, yeah. This weather ain't it. But this area is beautiful. It's gorgeous. I've got a little bench table. Wow. I want to go down by the water over there and take some photos, which I might just take my car and drive it over there instead of walking, just because, I don't know, I need to get some shelter first in my car, but there's bathrooms there. Alright guys, let's turn on the car. Yeah, it is cold, so some heat would be useful. Just warm up right now. It is so cold, but not really so cold, but it would be nice to have some heat, I should say. Anyways, yeah, so right now we're just gonna hang out here for a little bit, and then I want to go down by the water and check it out. There's just a woman there. I'm waiting for her to leave so that I can go. She's leaving now. Perfect. So but hopefully if I can manage to find a safe spot to stop on the side of the road there, I'm gonna do that. But yeah, this spot is beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous, as you saw, and yeah, I want to stay here forever. It is a very beautiful spot. Oh, sorry, I'm trying to put that on to there. These people over here have this little boat stuff here, so I think what they did was took their boats and went down by the canoe area or whatever. Not canoe area, sorry. Oh, the heats. I'm sorry if it's loud. They went down to over there, across the little river to probably go to the island or something. I'm sorry, my brain's fried completely if you can't tell. Okay, no cars. Can I park on the side over here just for a little quick glimpse and take some nice photos? Okay, nobody's on my left, nobody's on my right. Yes, I think we could stop here temporarily just to have a quick glimpse of this area. Oh, why is it so beautiful? That's what I want to know. It's so beautiful, you guys. Like, let's go check it out real quick and show you everything and how awesome it looks. It's so beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I don't even know if I need this thing, but you know what? Let's just bring it for just in case. My hair is a mess. It was straight, but you know, the second I go outside, poof, and plus it's raining, so my hair is gonna get a bit more crazy. Anyways, who cares? Let's go outside. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this rain. I can't be out here for too long because I cannot get this DJI wet. But look at just how beautiful this entire spot is. Wow. It does not seem real. How does a place like this even exist? It's so crazy. Alright, let's go back in because this weather is not it.